Hey guys, how's it going? So I want to make this really quick video. I was filming the video of the car, but I wanted to take a break to film this. So one problem you'll probably have when trying to rebuild a bike is dealing with the clutch and holding the clutch basket this still while you are tightening the nut. Now this is at a DR350 and that's what this is, but it'll also work on the RMZ450 to my knowledge. So this thing will spin independently while you try to tighten the nut, and you've got to get some kind of holder, and they make holders that go on like each side and go into the teeth, but they're pretty expensive, and I found a much cheaper way. So let's say you're replacing your clutch, or you have a donor clutch from something else that was wore out. All I did was I took out the plates from the clutch, which this one was pretty worn out. I took this ain't beautiful welds by any means. It's got quite a bit of porosis, something where air bubbles form, whatever. Not pretty welds, but I just took a wire welder and welded the plates together. And then I cleaned off a piece of rebar with just a wire wheel. Then I've welded the rebar to the plates right there, and I put quite a bit of heat in there, and I'm hoping this thing feels pretty strong. Well, I was going to beat it on the ground, but that might warp it. So basically what you would do then is, this is just a handle. Get it on there. So you put it on the hub though. It will hold it while it's on the bike because you have back pressure on it. You put your nut on, torque it down, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on a holder. So a couple notes to make during this is when you're making your welds, make sure to do it in very short intervals, and maybe even with the low heat, just trying to weld these plates together, because you do not want to warp the metal. You want to keep it pretty straight, or it won't fit on the it won't gear up to the hub very well. So you want to be a little careful of that. Also inspect it. I have one piece. Check for spatter on any of the teeth or divots.